And here we got an Android tablet. We plug it in and nothing happened. It doesn't charge, doesn't take any current. So we're gonna take it apart. And it seems like we got a pretty common issue here, which is the charging port. Seems loose and got a broken pins on the side. So we're gonna replace that. Okay. And time for checking. So we plug it in. And it does seem to be drawing 1.5 amps. And there it is. You see the battery starting to charge. The battery is dead for sure. And we'll give it a minute. And 10 minutes later, tablet is turning on. Seems that it's got some charge and it's keep on charging. So this should be all done. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.